Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Oh, ako umiyak. It's your birthday. It's supposed to be a happy greetings. Wala naman ako mawi-wish kasi parang lahat naman na po ng pinangarap mo sa buhay, na-achieve mo na. Naging ka ng doktor, may engineer, may attorney, di ba? Tapos, ang dahil mo ng apo, wala na tayong mahihiling kundi good health na lang. And more happiness. And, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa iyo kahit before pa na I admire you as a woman, as a mother. Lodi kita. Ganun. Sana makabanding kita pa rin. Pero malabo naman yung mangyari. Malay natin in the near future, diba? Magkakitaan pa tayo na pwede tayo mag-Japan ulit. Okay, punta ka dito. Tutul kita. Yun lang. Gusto ko mag-enjoy ka kahit na away ka kay Tito. Ganun. Sana palagi kang masaya yung puso mo. And I know how excited you are to go home. To finally go home and meet your apos. Masaya lang. You deserve what you have right now. Super deserve. And thankful ako kasi naging part ka ng life ko. Even nung sa maising panahon, naging nanay-nayan kita. Ganyan. Kahit na masungit ka before. Pero lukatas na kita ng pipiroan, ganyan. And, yun, basta masaya ako kasi nakalala kita. Ganyan. Ito naman, okay daw, makikibati daw po siya. Yun lang. I love you. Ingat ka parati dyan and hope na magkita pa tayo ulit at magbanda. Happy birthday!
Hi tita, happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come. I hope to see you soon po here in the Philippines or even if ever po given the chance to go to Japan, I'll visit you and Ate Sarah. Tapos po, ayun tita, more birthdays to come. Good health and more blessings po sa iyo and sa family niyo po. And also sa businesses po ninyo. And yun po, always take care, tita. Please do know that if you need anything, I'm here po. You're also like my second mom na po. So, I'm really happy na na-meet ko po kayo. Hindi man po personally, but we get to the chance to at least talk through the phone. And yeah, see you soon, tita. Love you. Also, tita, then I wanna say hi and happy birthday. Say hi, baby. Oh.